Hey everybody, in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how to format numbers as text in a Google Sheets spreadsheet. Alright, so if you want to format numbers as text in a Google Sheets spreadsheet, it's really easy to do. All you have to do is select the numbers you want to format as text. Then you have the option to either click on more formats here and select plain text, or you can also format in the menu bar, go to the number section, and as you can see, instead of number or automatic, which will format it as numbers, you can format numbers as plain text. And as you can see, the formatting has been applied because the numbers are now aligned to the left side of the cell, which is how text is formatted in a Google Sheets. So now this is how you can format numbers as plain text in a Google Sheets spreadsheet. I hope you found this tutorial useful. If you want to get access to our complete Google Sheets function database, or our Google Sheets Shortcut Keys ebook for free, and other Google Sheets resources and Google Sheets templates, then make sure to check the links in the description below. Also, if you want to learn more about how to use Google Sheets, make sure to check out our YouTube channel and playlists, where you have a ton of tutorials, and more Google Sheets tutorials are coming up, so also make sure to subscribe.